Hello everyone, welcome to his Queen Arts. In today's tutorial, we're going to draw a realistic 3D sphere using pencil shading techniques. Let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the circle. First, draw a neat circle. You can use a compass or trace around any circular object. This will be the base shape of our sphere. Step 2. Identifying the light source. For this drawing, the light source is from the top right. That means the brightest part of the sphere will be on the top right and the darkest shadows will fall to the bottom left. Step 3. Mid-tone shading. Using a 2B pencil, begin shading from the middle left side of the sphere. Apply gentle circular strokes to create a soft gradient. Keep the top right area light. We'll leave it nearly white to represent the highlight. Now, use a blending stump or tissue to smooth out the shading. Blend gently toward the center, keeping the highlight area almost white. This gives the illusion of roundness. Step 4. Adding darker values. Now, switch to a 5B pencil and add darker tones along the bottom left of the sphere. Then, take an 8B pencil to deepen the darkest areas. This includes the core shadow near the edge opposite the light. Step 5. Drawing the cast shadow. Next, draw a cast shadow on the bottom left of the sphere using your 5B or 8B pencil. It should be darkest where the sphere touches the ground and fade as it moves outward. Step 6. Blending. Use a blending stump or soft tissue to smooth out your shading. Blend from dark to light, but be sure to leave the highlight crisp and untouched. Before finishing, take a step back and review your drawing. Compare it to a reference photo. Does it look realistic? Are the proportions correct? Make any necessary adjustments and refine the edges if needed. And there you have it, a realistic 3D sphere, brought to life with proper shading and pencil control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to his Queen Arts for more drawing lessons.